as far as beer meters, we obviously understand that the ECOS is a big part of that mindset behind them. What stands out other than that ECOS aspect? When you think of beer meters, what stands out for you?
Well, our products. I mean, Walter Bierer, my brother Joe Bierer, his wife, she works here. Ryan Bierer, my nephew, he works here. His wife works here, Hannah Bierer. And even Louis, their two-year-old son, he's starting to learn how to work and shred papers and stuff. So anyways, he's not on the payroll yet, but he's learning. But what stands out is basically right here, family owned and operated since 1987, and we are. And all of our products are made right here in South Carolina, made in the USA, and we pride ourselves in that. But what stands out a lot, not only our products, but we've got the best team in the world, and that's our people. We have the very best team. And our production manager, plant manager, and purchasing, our customer service, our grounding department, repair department. Oh my gosh! I mean, it's really cool when we go to the International Lineman's Rodeo, for instance, the Utility Expo, or these other safety conferences statewide. And it's so cool where people come up to our booth. And we'll be talking with somebody about a particular tool. And then somebody that uses that same tool will come up. They'll see us handling it and talking. They'll come up and talk to the gentleman or the lady that we're talking to about a particular tool. Oh, you got to get this. Oh, it is the best. Oh, their customer service. Oh, these folks are wonderful. And it's like, what the heck? And they're not even on our payroll. And so it is so heartwarming. When I started here in 2014, I went to the first conference, what was it called in Louisville?
The Utility Expo?
Yeah, it was called something else.
Okay.
Wasn't it? But anyways, I don't know. Anyways, when I got there, it was 2014. It was strange how hardly really anybody in the industry knew about us. There was, but now in this last year, 2025. Oh my gosh. I mean, we can't keep people away from our booth. It is almost overwhelming. We had Joe there, me there, Ryan there, and it was all we could do is to stand up all day long and talking to everybody. And it was just such like family and heartwarming, and we create relationships. So we sell tools, but we really create relationships. And my brother goes out and he trains safety, he trains the tools. We'll go field training. We go on site. Ryan Bierer, I think he told me yesterday, we had lunch with Dad and Mom. He told me yesterday he's been on the road at least 1 or 2 days a week since September doing training. And he's gone up to North Carolina to do a municipality up there today. And actually tomorrow, sorry. But all of our support that we do is just amazing. What we offer, our services.
And I think it's a testimony to the culture you guys have created, right? Like you said, the family is involved. Mm-hmm. You live it every day. There's not someone else coming in and doing all the things, and the family's on a yacht somewhere having tea, right? That's not how it works. If you want to make a difference and you want to create that culture, you have to put in the work every day. And if you do that, the people are drawn to that like a flame. Mm-hmm. It's amazing because that culture is so absent in our industry that when people see it, it's like it's like a new toy. Yeah. It's like they're just drawn to it. It's crazy. Yeah. I like that. And I think you guys do a great job at incorporating that. And if it's not a motto on paper, it's a motto behind the scenes. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? So.